Hi, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be demonstrating how I create my wireways at the back of my PVC neon signs. Okay, alright. Using Recarve Pro again, I open a file. Okay, get poised. This is a job I'm doing for a client for her clothing store. Okay. Alright, the first thing to know is that when you're creating the wireways, you have to know where your starting points and sometimes your ending points of your neons are going to be. That is where the channel, the wireway will pass under, so that you can drill through the back straight into the wireway. Okay, for example, this exclamation sign, right, it starts here, ends here, so I'm gonna create the wireway right over this section right here. Okay, normally what I do first, I create a main channel, right, a main wireway. Okay, so I select the draw rectangle tool and I just draw a long rectangle in the middle. Alright, I'm gonna make it 0.2 inches, 0.2 inches thick. Okay, apply. That's I don't want to make it too big because when I'm gonna fill it with the hot glue, it might take too much, so I just keep it a little bit under a quarter. Okay, so I try to position it where it passes through most of the joints being, like, for example, where the end of the E meets the D. Yeah, I know that one neon gonna end here, right, and another one will end here, here, and here. Okay, so I try to put this one, the main channel, where it can serve more than one purposes, in that it will hold most of the wires or most of the connections. Also, it can be used to bring the wires into from the letters. Okay, I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. Okay, let's continue. As you can see, the end of this exclamation, the top part of the exclamation sign is outside. So what I'll do, I'll go back to the draw rectangle and I'll draw a rectangle overlapping the main channel, right? So this rectangle, it covers this neon, because when I drill through, when I drill from the front, from the channel here into the back, it will fall inside this rectangle, which will serve for both this small bottom piece of the exclamation sign and the top piece right here. Okay, the next one, I'm gonna start this neon right here. I'm gonna go up, right? I'm gonna loop. This is gonna be one strip of neon starting here, all the way up, come up, loop here, and stops here. Right, so the end of the neon gonna be here, the other end gonna be here. So I need to draw another box right here. Okay, so when this neon stops here, I'm gonna cut the wire here, come into this wireway channel here, and join up with everything in here. I just continue that for the rest of the letters. Okay, this E will be covered because I'm gonna start the neon here, come around here, and stop right here to join with this one. So I can either drill here, I can either bring the wire through here or bring it through here. So that's covered, right? This S now, the end is right here, right? So what I could probably do is I could probably move the main channel, the main wireway up a little bit. Yeah, so I can still get the E in here and a part of the S, because I can drill a hole right here and come in from this S. Okay, let's move this up a little bit so it kind of overlap. Another thing, make sure when you draw these boxes, they overlap. They go past the main channel right here, because if the fact you have to move it, it won't fall outside. So you just carry them up all the way so you don't have to move them afterwards. Okay, keep up a little, let's make it a little bit longer. Okay. Alright, so this S is covered because I can come in here or I can come in here. Alright, this S, I'm gonna start the neon here. I'm gonna come around here, go this way, and stop here. Because obviously I can't pass over it. I can't pass it over it itself. So I'm gonna start here, come around here, and stop this one here. Okay, this one is gonna start here and end at this E, right? So I can come in from this end into the wireway. Okay, this I, the bottom part of the I, I'm going to start here, come around here, and come to connect with this S. Right, I can connect the wire from this end and come into the wireway. Okay, the dot for the I now, I have to create another connection here, starting from the bottom, come all the way down to the channel right here, and that will, I'll use this box here to connect to the top of the eye. And like I said, always try to pass the main channel with the new box. Okay, this O, I'm gonna start here, come around. You know what, this one I might just start here. I'm gonna start it here, come around this way here, and then come this way. So this will be one piece of neon right here, all the way around, and just come here and stop. So I can come in, I can bring the wire right here into the wireway right here. Okay, the P now. The P, I'm gonna start here, come all the way up here, around here, and stop here. Alright, so I need to come down, need a new box to come down here, like that. We can move it around, right up a little this way. Let's bring it back, yeah. So after running this one around here to come this way, it's gonna be one piece, and stop here. It will come into this. The wire will come into this wireway and go back into this one. Okay, I'm gonna put another neon starting here all the way up to here. So I need another connection here, which I could probably put right here. Again, it depends on how you want to run your neon and how you want to make the connections. This is very flexible. Okay, so this one will, I'll start here cutting an angle so it sits right on the side of this one, come all the way up here and stopping here. The wire can come through here and jam up with everything. Okay, as you can see, I cannot go across here, so I need to create another channel here. So I'm gonna need to create one across here. Okay, like this. And what I can do is pull this one up to join with this one. Yeah, I can do that. So this one will, this box or this channel or this wireway will serve this neon, bringing wire through here, bring it back to the main wireway, and also connecting this wireway to this short wireway, which will serve for over this side. Okay, so you can probably pull this a little bit further over. Yeah, and this wireway will serve for this, for the top, for the T, because I might just start from here, come all the way down here, stop, right, and then I might need to bring one up. So I'm gonna bring the wire to the top. Okay, so this wireway will collect the wire from the stick, from the post of the T. Okay, these small pieces of neon right here and right, I'm gonna put two small pieces, one here and one here. These will come into this channel, this wireway. Okay, so I need one here now, because this, I'm going to start this E right here, come all the way around and stop here. So I need to come down here. I need a wireway to come down to collect this wire here, which I can put like right there. Let's pass. And yeah, so this one will come in here. The wire will come in here from the E. I'm gonna start it here, come around, pass this end, and come and stop right here. So the wire can come in right here. Okay, this G now, I'm gonna make it one piece. I'm gonna start here, all the way around here, come all the way around here, make a loop, come down, come, make another loop, come up here. So this will be one piece. So the end will stop here. So I need to connect the wireway across here. So I'll draw another rectangle. Okay. So let's see. Gonna stop here. So I need to carry it down a little bit, not to fall off the neon sign, but carry it down a little bit. Bring it out, and I bring. See, that's why you need to carry these down. Okay, like that. Okay, I'm gonna have a little piece here, because this neon comes and stops here, so I need to put another little piece here. So what I could do is I could put another connection here. This one can be small because just one wire passing through it for this small piece here. Okay, so let's make it a little longer, bring it out. There we go. Alright, so the other step is to connect all the wireways together now. So I'm gonna do it as if I'm doing one channel. Okay, so what I do is I select the trim vector tool and I trim away all the unnecessary lines. I'm gonna start from this side. I'm gonna trim away this. Make sure not to trim away the neon channel. You just trim away, take away all the unnecessary lines. Okay, trim. You can trim here because I don't need it here. And there you go. That's one channel. As I can see, it comes here and turns. So that's the wireway. Okay, this one. You can delete here. Zoom in. There you go. Sorry. Okay, that's one up here. Trim. And you just go along and trim out all the unnecessary lines. Okay, and this is the last one, and there you go. That's it. That's your wireway. Okay, select it and press it and make sure that everything is selected. As I can see, it's not connected here, so I have to press, try and connect them back. Connect with straight line. There we go. Connect with straight line. Sometimes this doesn't happen, but it happens, and you have to join them back. Okay, let's join this one, and I'm just right clicking the lines, right clicking and join with line. That's all I'm doing. Just joining back the lines. Make sure I have one continuous dotted line right around when I select it. Join. Let's see if there's anything else to join. Yes, and that's it. So if I click one place, I should get one continuous line. There we go. So let me go over the connections again. These two will enter into the wireway through here and here. The stick of the D, which is this neon, which starts here, come up here and come and loop and stops here, will come into here. This D will come down here and stop and enter still into the neon, into the wireway right here. The E will start here and enter into the wireway through a hole here. So this is one piece with the E here. The S will start here, the wire will enter here, come around, stop here. This small piece will enter here. Okay. The I will start here, make a small loop, come here, stop, enter right here. The top of the I will enter the wireway here. This O will start here, loop around here, come here, stop, enter right here. The P, the foot of the P will start here, come up here, loop around, come around, stop here. The wire will enter here. The back part of the P right here will start here, come around, loop, come around, stop here, enter the wireway here. And then the top of the stick for the T, the stick will start here, come all the way up here. This is one continuous piece, all the way up here, stop here. The wire will enter here, and then there's two small pieces to make the cross of the T. One here, which will enter the wireway from either end, because the wireway runs right across it, and then this other end of the T, the top of the cross for the T, will run right here, wire will enter here. Okay, this E will start here, loop around, come right around, stop here. The wire will enter the wireway from here. The G will start here, come around, make a loop right here, come down, make another loop here, come here, stop right here. The wire will enter the wireway here, and then this small piece right here will enter the wireway here. So that's how I create the wireways on the back of the PVC neon signs, right? Okay, after creating this, when you're gonna cut it, you need to flip it, because it's gonna be on the back of the sign. So you need to select everything, select all, and then you select mirror selected object, because you wanna flip it. Right, and what I do, I flip it horizontal. Okay, you have to flip it around. So you press horizontal and it's flipped. Right? So when you're gonna cut now, you have to only select the wireway like this and cut that. Do not select anything else. Do not select everything because it will read reverse. So you need to cut only the wireway. Right? After cutting the wireway now, you would flip it back horizontally. No, sorry. You would select everything and then flip it back. There you go. Flip it and flip it back. Then you'll just delete the wireway. Delete the wireway and cut the rest of your job. Okay, so that's how I create the wireways on the back of the PVC neon signs. The wireway channel I make about it. Well, it depends on the thickness of the PVC I'm using. For 1/2 inch PVC, I go like 0.1 inch down, less than 1/8. Right? It's more than 1/16, but less than 1/8. So I normally go 0.1 down. That's how deep the wireway channels are. Okay, but if I'm doing like 1 inch PVC, I'll go like 1/4 inch down, 0.25 down. It just depends on the thickness of the material you're using. Because if I'm using 1/2 inch, right, and I normally go 0.3 or 0.28 deep for my neon channels. My neon channels are normally either 0.28 or 0.3 on a 1/2 inch PVC. Then I wouldn't have, if I go 0.3, I only have 0.2 left, because the 1/2 inch is 0.5. So if I go 0.3 for my neon channels, I only have 0.2. So I just leave a little bit of space between the neon channel and the wireway. So I normally go 0.1 for the 1/2 inch. Okay, thanks for watching, and remember, if you need any tutorials made, just send me a message and I'll try and do it. I'll try and make it for you. Okay, thanks again and have a nice day. Bye.